Make Numpy.where stop after first true encountered. I am trying to scaling up a piece of code in terms of input size. The bottleneck seems to be call of a Numpy.where for which I am only using the first true index. It would be much faster if I could tell Numpy to stop after encountering first true value. I am inverting a cumulative density function, comp, which grows quickly over the first array values of comp. I could do it by hand with a loop and a break, but I was wondering if there was a Pythonist way of doing so?
If comp is a cumulative density function, then it is monotonic, hence sorted. Rather than linearly scanning it, you are going to get best performance guarantees by binary searching it. First, we create some fake data to search over. Then we create some fake data to search for. And we finally search for it and find it.
Sounds a bit please line